Welcome to the in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the notification volume panel. Now just to mute your device notifications, you should hold for a while this blue dot with your finger, and after that just slide it here to the left side, and that's it. So by this way you can mute your device notifications. Also you can do it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. After that click here into the settings, and you'll see here the notification volume panel, and slide down with your finger this blue dot here on the notification volume panel, and by this way you can also mute the notification sound on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.